Today, let's learn about these amazing colors vehicles. From powerful trains to huge trucks or compact cars that move flexibly on the streets. Are you ready? Let's go! Italy police car. This is Italy police car. It's a stylish and fast vehicle used by Italian officers to maintain law and order. Often sleek and high-performing, it combines elegance with authority. Container truck. This is one of the most common freight vehicles, designed to move containers across ports and highways, powering global trade every day. Vintage bus. This is a charming classic vehicle from the past, known for its retro design and nostalgic feel. It brings back memories of old city rides. Open-top bus. This is a favorite for sightseeing, offering passengers panoramic views of the city from its upper deck. It turns every ride into an adventure. Snow plowing train. This is a powerful rail vehicle designed to clear heavy snow from the tracks, ensuring safe and smooth train operations even in harsh winters. Turtle plane. This is Turtle Plane. It's a creative aircraft inspired by the shape of a turtle, known for its slow, steady flights and adorable design that captures hearts everywhere. Steam locomotive. This is steam locomotive. It's one of the most iconic trains in history, powered by steam and known for its loud whistle and billowing smoke. It represents the golden age of rail travel. Fire truck. This is fire truck. It's one of the most heroic emergency vehicles, equipped with ladders, hoses, and sirens. It rushes through the streets to save lives and fight dangerous fires. Heavy haul truck. This is heavy haul truck. It's a giant on the road, capable of carrying massive loads such as machinery or construction materials. Its sheer power and size make it a transport legend. Amphibious bus. This is Amphibious Bus. It's a unique vehicle that can travel both on land and water, impressing everyone with its versatility and smooth transitions between roads and rivers. It's popular for city tours and water adventures. Coal train. This is coal train. It's a long and powerful freight train used to transport tons of coal from mines to factories and power plants, symbolizing industrial strength and endurance. Tank truck. This is tank truck. It's designed to transport large volumes of liquid, such as fuel or water, recognized by its massive cylindrical tank. It plays a vital role in supplying essential fluids across long distances. Ambulance bus. This is ambulance bus. It's a mobile hospital on wheels, specially designed to carry multiple patients during emergencies. It provides critical care and life-saving equipment while on the move. Thomas train. This is Thomas Train. It's the beloved blue engine from children's stories, famous for his friendly smile and cheerful adventures on the island of Sodar. Coast Guard helicopter. This is Coast Guard helicopter. It's a rescue aircraft that patrols coastlines, saving people at sea and responding to emergencies with incredible precision and speed. Hand car. This is hand car. It's a small rail vehicle operated by hand power, often used by railway workers for quick travel along tracks. Its simple design and rhythmic motion make it unforgettable. Library bus. This is Library Bus. It's a moving library that brings books and knowledge to people everywhere, spreading literacy and joy through its shelves filled with stories. Wildlife Safari Bus. This is Wildlife Safari Bus. It's a special open-roof vehicle for exploring jungles and wildlife parks, giving passengers an up-close look at animals in their natural habitat. Prison Transport Bus. This is a secure vehicle used to transport prisoners between facilities, built with reinforced structures and safety systems. Logging truck. This is built to carry massive tree logs from forests to mills. Its rugged design and strength make it a key player in the timber industry. Flatbed truck. This is a versatile transport vehicle with an open platform, perfect for carrying heavy machinery, vehicles, or large cargo. If you want to explore and learn about any means of transport, please comment below the video. Thank you for watching.